Let's start with the Minecraft crafting idea. I have 5 elements to show you today. First, let's start with healing cake. You need regeneration potion, cake, mushroom, redstone, golden apple, redstone, mushroom, golden melon, and instant health potion. Make healing cake. The effect is heal 3 heart and 5 hunger point. 10 used. Next thing is computer. Make using redstone, comparator, redstone, repeater, glass, repeater, iron, diamond, iron. Equal computer. Used to control 4 redstone system at once. And next item was enchanted brick by using brick, golden block, brick, or a brick at the around, and then gold in the middle. Equal enchanted brick. Used to create a big wall. Pay 2 level per use. And then I got an awesome thing to show you. It's a flamethrower. Using ball, dispenser, then flint and steel left to right. Any line, can be any line. It is like automatic bulb, has fire came out, has to reload an arrow. Now, and also another item that I want to show you is beer. This is why wheat, water, and flint and steel down. It's horizontal way, like this, like in the picture. So it's equal beer. Warning. Return bucket and flint and steel. Heal 2 heart but lose 1 hunger point. And the last item was scarecrow. Use pumpkin, stick, shirt, stick, and stick. Pumpkin is the second block. The second square. Stick, first one was fourth. Shirt was in the middle. Stick, another stick was in right of the shirt, and another stick was down of the shirt. It makes scarecrow. Scare all enemy except for enderman within 8 block radius. And I guess that's it, guys. See you on next video. Please subscribe. Dun, 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 dun.